Hello guys, I am Gaurav and we will solve this question. As you can see that this question is related to ellipse and circle. Okay. Before starting this question, we need to remember two things actually. One thing related to ellipse chapter and second thing related to circle chapter. From circle chapter, we need to remember that angle subtended by diameter at any point of circle is always 90 degree. And second thing we need to remember is sum of focal radius of any point on this ellipse is always equal to major axis of that ellipse. So in this diagram, as we can see that point P is intersection point of circle and ellipse. So point P will lie on ellipse and on circle both. So according to circle, in this triangle PF1, PF2 and F1, F2 as sides, this will be right angle triangle as you can see, because this angle is formed by diameter on circle. So this will be right angle triangle. So we can say if PF1 is X, PF2 is Y, then X plus Y equal to sum of focal radius of this point according to that ellipse, right? And we know that sum of focal radius equal to major axis, and major axis is already given as 17. So X plus Y equal to 17 according to this ellipse. Now, as given that area of this triangle is 30 unit square, we know that area of right angle triangle equal to half into base into height equal to 30. So X into Y is 15. So we have two values now about this X and Y. X into Y is 15, X plus Y is 17. And what we need to find? We need to find the distance between both focus of ellipse and both focus of ellipse. It means this is hypotenuse of this triangle, as you can see that. So this is very simple now. We have product of perpendicular and base, we have sum of perpendicular and base of this right angle triangle, and we need to find the hypotenuse. So if base and perpendicular are X and Y, then what will be hypotenuse? You can remember from 9th, 10th or 8th class by Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse equal to root perpendicular square plus base square. It means square root of X square plus Y square. And we know the identity X plus Y square equal to X square plus Y square plus 2XY. And we have X plus Y with us. We have X into Y with us. So we can find X square plus Y square. So by using this identity, what is value of X square plus Y square? It's 169. Now hypotenuse equal to root X square plus Y square means 13. So we got the answer. We got distance between both focus of this ellipse equal to 13. So it was a very simple question. In this question, actually concepts are used from multiple chapters, but concepts were very basic concepts actually. From first lecture of circle, from first lecture of ellipse, and from 8th or 9th class, this hypotenuse thing. These three things are used. So we don't need to learn tough things. We need to learn just basic things, but from all the chapters of our syllabus, and we can crack the exam. Okay, thank you.